Hey y'all, Iric Guy here. Within this video I'm going to be installing the Ring indoor camera. Now you notice I've got a lot of Ring cameras. Check out my other videos, and if you're shopping for Ring camera, security system, etc., expand this video's description and then click the link there. But I went with this basic indoor camera just because I wanted to, I don't do a lot of cameras indoors, but I didn't want to spend more for the more robust cameras. So let's go ahead and see how easy or how difficult this is to install. Let's go ahead and get, I was looking for my goodies. A little sticker right there. Protected by Ring. Okay. So unlike the more expensive stick-up cam, this does not have a battery or solar option. It's just it's a wall-powered device. It is physically smaller, which is nice, depending upon your use case. I'm going to keep the little protective piece on until after I install it. It's got the mounting bracket right here. You could also put the mounting bracket in the rear, and I think that's what I'm going to do. So let's see, we're going to go ahead and pop all this stuff out here. I feel like a fool. Because these are the installation tools. So we have a little micro USB wall charger. Something you'll probably want to do, and what I'm going to do is, and then you got the mounting hardware. Something you'll probably want to do is see how long your cable is and see if you need an extension cord, or maybe you just want to mount the camera according to the length of the cord. So I've got a wall plug right here that I'm going to use. So I'm going to plug it into that, put it behind my acoustic panel. That's a great way to hide the cable. Hey, I didn't even think about that. So I'm going to put it behind my acoustic panel, and then boom, there we go. So I can have a somewhat invisible cable of sorts. So the next thing we're going to do is, actually I'm going to have to take this protective piece off for this. But we're going to move the base from the bottom to the let's see if it'll do that. Yeah, to the back right here. It will. So we're going to do that. Since I'm, because I'm mounting it like this. That's how I need it to position. So it did not come with a screwdriver. So, with the more premium Ring cameras, a lot of them come with screwdrivers. But no problem, because I've got about 15 or 20 Ring screwdrivers from all the stuff I've bought. So let's see, let's take this little protective piece out, and we're going to unscrew the base from the bottom. Phillips head screwdriver, in case you're wondering. And it is worth mentioning, these are not suitable for outdoor use. This particular Ring camera is not. So if you need that, check out some of the other Ring offerings. That goes in there, and it's got a directional arrow that says up, which obviously goes to the top of the camera. Put your screw back in. Okay, now that's attached, and I guess I could. Oh yeah, you don't have to see, it'll move around. So now you see your up position. What you're going to want to do next is let's see. Oh, in case you're wondering, the micro USB, the power jack, is right there. It's kind of buried inside the thing. So probably what you want to do is stick that in. Okay, so that's in there. Now within my Ring app, I'm going to scan, and during setup here, I want to make sure this camera works before installing it, you know. So I'm just adding it within my app. And now it's saying to look at a light on the front. Okay, I'm looking at a light on the front. Okay, now it is flashing, or it's blue. It says press the button on the top, and when the light begins flashing blue, go to the next step. Okay, now it's flashing blue. The light is flashing blue. And now it's connecting to the camera.
The Ring app is now connected to your Ring device. Your Ring device is now connecting to your Wi-Fi network.
It's got voice. That's kind of cool.
Take a moment.
That's coming from the camera.
Setup was successful. With Ring, you're always home.
This is just a Ring indoor camera. Okay, so now what we can do is determine the height. And again, my goal is to kind of disguise this cable, so I want to go to where I've got range of motion. But, yeah, I don't want it, let's see, about right there, I think. So basically all we're going to do now is actually, let's see what it looks like sitting on this panel. And if that's an appropriate height, then we can really hide the cable, because that will be easy to put it there. Let me see what the I'm checking within the Ring app to see what the field of view looks like. Always align it. Yeah, that's going to be perfect. So it can be directly on top of that panel. So what we're going to do now is just get the mounting hardware. There's a mounting bracket. Pay attention, it's got a thing right here that says up, so obviously that's going to go up. And there's these 2 screws that are going to go in. Now you can drill a hole and you can use the included drywall anchors, which would probably be recommended. I mean, actually those would be used for brick, so never mind. This, I'm just going to put this in. Well, I guess you could use it with drywall too. But I'm just going to put this in with the 2 screws because it's not like it's going to be something I'm going to be messing with. And I think the 2 screws will be plenty sturdy. But yeah, that worked out great, man. Having that acoustic panel there, dude. You know, just disguise the cable. So now what I'm going to do is just kind of look at the height of that. And I'm going to slide this over temporarily. And I'm going to put it far enough over here to where it's got, yeah, there we go, so I can hide the cable completely. So basically what I'm doing one of the 2 screws, and it, once I get it in, then I will level this mounting bracket and do the 2nd screw. Okay, it's level. Now I'm going to do the 2nd screw. And see, then you just slide your the Ring camera just slides down the bracket. There it is, now it's on the bracket. You know what, I goofed up, I didn't do it quite high enough. I was trying to get it really low, but that's no problem, man. I can just unscrew it and take it up a notch. So factor in the base of the camera. I mean, it needs to be maneuverable, and I did a poor job of that, so. But no problem. I mean, it comes right out. It's not a big deal, man. Now that's perfect. And see, now I can hide these cables, or cable rather, take off the little screen protector. And now I can align the camera by looking in the app and make sure it's like I want it to be. I'm gonna walk out here and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's perfect. So, yeah, that's how to install the Ring indoor camera. Couldn't be happier with it, man. I mean, the video quality is good. You can notice that it's not quite as detail rich as, say, the Ring Spotlight cam or the Ring stick-up cam, but it's still really good quality. And it's smaller. But again, you don't have battery option, so it's wall powered only. But for this use case, it's perfect, because that's the only way I'm going to use it is the wall power. So very nice. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and if you're shopping for the Ring indoor camera, any of the Ring products, expand this video's description and then click the link there and check out all my other Ring videos too. I got quite a bit of their equipment. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.